some science today. We're gonna do underwater fireworks.
Yeah, we've got a couple of science experiments, and we were watching our friend's channel, which we are going to link to in the video description, so make sure you check that out for our inspiration. And we're staying in a temporary house, and it came with all these expired ingredients. Came with this olive oil, which is rancid, so we're going to use that for our underwater fireworks. And after that, we are going to find out if expired balsamic vinegar can make a volcano. So we're going to try 2 science experiments. And I think this is a great way to use...
That's what a couple means though, Mom.
Thanks. But I think this is a good use of some expired stuff that we were looking for a way to get rid of. So let's do some science, right?
We can do this every day to expire. Wait.
All right, first thing you want to do, Cora, is you are going to pour oil, which is this bottle, into here about that deep. Can she do it?
No, I cannot.
Will she make Mom? Mom will put down the camera and fill the oil. So we have poured our Best Buy 2018 oil into the glass jar. You just pop it straight off, but not over your clothes. Pull it straight up. Not while squeezing. Okay, and then 1 or 2 drops.
Another one?
Maybe, yeah, I think so. Maybe 1 more. That's 3 drops. Nope, 2 drops.
2 drops.
Ah, the refraction of the glass. Okay, another drop then. Okay, and then we'll add another color.
It was confusing, so I actually had to, look in. Blood blue next.
That's fun. Ooh, you got some on your hand.
1 drop. 2 drops. 3 drops.
Okay, carefully close it. This food dye, if you get it on your clothes, it is not going to come out.
Yours is actually supposed to die.
Yep, dye is dye.
1, 2, 3.
That's okay. You see it's dye in your hand?
Yeah.
Big blue
cool,
spot.
I say.
And green. Gently, Cora. Do you want me to open it?
Yeah. I'm having trouble with that one. I had trouble with that one. Green.
Green drops.
1, 2, 3.
Cool, the food dye sinks. Now, take your spoon and
Oh yeah.
mix it. So you want to make little drops. Mix it really good. So you want a lot of little drops in there. There we go.
That was it good?
A little bit more. You kind of want to just break those drops up.
Shouldn't that be simple? I mean, wow, that was fun.
It's looking really cool. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Let me try. How'd we do?
That's good.
Ooh, lots of little drops. Okay. Now we set the spoon to the side.
And we put in the water.
And we slowly pour this into the water. I'm going to keep my eye on the water. You can pour a little faster. Pour it all in. There you go. Pour.
Whoa.
See what happens.
Whoa.
Oh, there we go. Our fireworks are starting.
Whoa. Looks yellow and red. Whoa. All mine are looking yellow and red. Where's the blue?
Oh, there goes a blue one. I see a very, maybe this green?
Green.
Very tiny green one. It's interesting, there's a blob of oil that got stuck on the bottom. There it goes.
It's sort of going up. Wow.
Oh, here they come.
Fireworks.
The camera doesn't know where to focus. Here we go, there's our firework display. It's nice, it's quiet fireworks. Ooh, there's a circle. You see the green one that's a circle?
Did you see that red one? It's sort of like... Wow. These are fireworks. Oh! This one's sort of making like a sprout. Like a backward sprout, maybe?
Diffusion! Yay! Wow, that one's beautiful.
If you want, I'm gonna get my sunglasses.
You're gonna miss the show.
Okay. Whoa.
Isn't that fun? That was much better than just throwing that rancid oil in the trash, huh? We got a fireworks show out of it. Alright, so this video, what to do with rancid cooking oil, or olive oil, or any sort of oil.
It's even sprouting up.
Isn't that fun?
Whoa. Wow. Oh man. Cool up.
What does it look like from the top? Oh wow, it's pretty.
It even got that reflection sort of thing that makes it prettier.
Mm-hmm. There's still lots of little bubbles to explode. It looks like some artistic glass, doesn't it? It's really fancy.
Wow, Mommy. How long will this go on? Like how long will all of them last?
It won't last. After a while, it'll all change just into one color.
What color?
Let's see, the color of mixing red and green.
Oh, I was thinking the one that I put 4 drops on accident. I'm not quite sure what color that is, but
really
I did
pretty.
put 4 drops on accident on one of them. So that means that
I still
they're...
don't really understand that little ball of oil that's
It's turning
on the bottom.
green.
Yeah, so the blue and yellow. You can't really see the yellow much, I think, after the green starts taking over. Oh, no, there's still some yellow streaks. I didn't see any blue.
Oh, yeah, the blue, it's coming down. Blue.
Is that one blue or is it green?
Well, if you were looking from up, there are blue ones. See? Blue. Right there. Like if you were looking up, it's a little easier because you can actually see everything up above. Oh, that's also green. And then blue. If you see up above, it's a little easier because nothing's behind anything.
Well, also if there's already yellow in the water, yellow and blue make green. That's probably why a lot of it looks kind of just straight green. Oh yeah, you can tell the difference much easier.
Oh yeah, that's probably why.
Cool.
The green's taking over because the blue started coming.
So that's our first experiment.
Can't wait to make volcanoes erupt.
So we're going to take this balsamic vinegar and pour it in here. The vinegar is vinegar, so this should work. So we'll
It looks like little drops when it starts coming in.
I know.
Especially on video camera.
Oops, we got some on the outside.
Oh no!
It's okay though. Alright, so that's that. And then we're going to use our funnel. Our fox funnel. Put in
Mom,
some
that's
baking
paper that you made to a funnel.
soda. I know. Are you ready to do this? You can pour in the baking soda.
Okay, how much?
You'll know it.
Okay. That good?
No, you better move your funnel. There goes our volcano. Did we get enough baking soda? Will our volcano erupt? Did we get enough vinegar? Uh-oh. Oh, our volcano didn't make it all the way out.
So I'll try it again.
Do we need more vinegar?
I think we need more of this. Vinegar.
We'll add some more vinegar.
It's not really helping. We might need more of this.
More of the baking soda?
Let me just put on the aga badaga thingy.
The funnel.
Yes. Okay, can you move it? I think it's coming up.
Okay. Funnel's going on. And baking soda is going in. Is it working? It's going up, going up. Will it erupt?
Will it erupt? It's almost there, it's almost there, it's almost there.
Here we go. Ah! And we have a volcano.
It's erupting.
Cool. All right.
Cool.
Expired balsamic vinegar still makes a science experiment. Sweet brown lava.
Wow.
Cool.
Can I add some drops to make it red?
It won't turn, I don't think it'll turn red because it's brown.
Well, I think in the video they had different colors.
I know, but normally you use white vinegar. However, you shouldn't happen to have any.
Oh, then that makes perfect sense. It's erupting. Let's make it. Let's make like. Oh no! There's too much of that now.
Volcano complete. That was fun,
I
huh?
want to make it all the way around.
No, Cora, that's enough.
Oh, come on.
So how'd you like your science experiments?
Please just do one more to make it all the way around. It'll be amazing if it gets all the way around.
Well, I'd still like to have some baking, although we can't take it with us when we move. There's plenty left, but it is summertime. And it's really good for making shoes not smell. I feel like we gotta keep the baking soda to keep our shoes smelling fresh.
A little bit more.
Come on.
Mom,
It was way fun.
that's way full.
All right, fill it full of vinegar. You gotta add some vinegar first.
Oh, and you?
There's nothing to fear with vinegar. Yes, it smells weird.
This one?
Yes.
Yeah. Is it working?
Mm-hmm. It's working.
Do I stop?
Is it going on the outside or on the inside of the bottle? There we go.
Both?
Great.
I think it's good.
Okay, add your funnel.
I'll just funnel to make it eruptive volcanical.
Like we're trying to get rid of the vinegar, not necessarily the baking soda.
There we go.
Of course, stop.
Oh my goodness. And it erupted! Lava! 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 Ooh, wow. Oh.
Is that fun?
Yeah. Have you even seen eruptions actually?
Well, remember when we were in Hawaii, we went to Kilauea?
Mm-hmm.
And we saw the caldera full of lava? But it wasn't a violent eruption like this.
Bye guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more science videos.
But we don't always do science.
Doesn't matter, we'll do more.